Good morning, students. Hi, I am Sasikant Das and I am going to teach you computer. So, today we are going to see about your first chapter, that is called networking. So, what is networking we will see today. Here we can see that it is all about internet. So, we will see what is internet. Nowadays, all of you know that we are using a social media and the internet. So, from where it came? We need to know about it. Yes or no? So, first let us discuss about the internet. Okay. So, the internet is a massive network of network. It connects millions of computers together globally, forming a network in which computer can communicate as long as they are connected. Okay. So, what it is? It is the connection of millions of computers together globally. It forms a network which is we can connect with anyone throughout the world. Okay. So, the internet was created in 1969 in a project sponsored by US Department of Defense. It began with the creation of a network of computing device known as your ARPANET. It means Advanced Research Project Agency Network. In the mid-80s, the National Science Foundation (NSF) created the NSF-NET, a series of networks for research and educational communication. These two networks were linked and together they formed the internet. Okay, you got it? How internet created? First of all, it started with the US Defense or Department. Okay, so second, they created your ARPANET, National Advanced Research Project Agency Network, and in mid 80s the National Science Foundation, they created your NSF net. Okay, together they created the internet. Okay, till the 1990s the internet was used mainly for academic and military purpose. You can see that till the 1990s the internet was used mainly for academic and military purpose. It was later joined by many private commercial organizations. The internet gained massive popularity after the development of the World Wide Web in the 1990s. Now let us see about the World Wide Web or WWW. World Wide Web refers to millions of electronic documents called the web pages, which are linked to each other just like a spider web. You know spider web, how they are linked to each other? So this is called your World Wide Web. In World Wide Web, you can see that millions of electronic documents are there, which is called as your web pages. Okay, now we will see what is web page. Any digital page on the World Wide Web is called as web page. Okay, are you getting? Any digital page on the World Wide Web is called a web page. Okay, now let's see about what is web client. Web client refers to the computer which are accessing the World Wide Web by using the web browser on the user machine. Okay, what is web client? Web client refer to the computers which are accessing the World Wide Web by using the web browser on the user machines. Okay, now let's see about the web server. A web server is a computer which responds to the request from the client computers and process them. Web server run on server software. Okay, what is web server? A web server is a computer which responds to the request from the client computers and process them. Web server runs on a server software. To run the web server, we need server software, and what it did, it will help to the client server. Whatever client server request, they will send them the resources. Okay, that is called your web server. Now let's discuss about the web browser. A browser is a software on the client computer that access web pages on the internet and display them on the computer screen. What is a web browser? A browser is a software on the client computer that access the web pages on the internet and display them on the computer screen. Okay, it is the basic software needed to find, retrieve, view and send information over the internet. What it is? It is the basic software which we need to find, retrieve, view and send information over the internet. That is called as your web browser. Three popular browsers are used by people globally are Chrome by Google, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer, which is the default browser for Windows. Okay, these are the some browsers which is globally used by the people. Okay, this is all about web browser. Now we will see about pages. The World Wide Web consists of files called web pages, which contain information and link to resources throughout the internet. What it is? The web page means it consists of files called web pages and which contain information and links to resources throughout the internet. That is called as your web pages. Web pages can contain text, graphics, animation, audio and sound and even videos. Okay. They are connected to each other by linked words called your hyperlinks or hyperlinks. Okay. How they are connected to each other? By the word called as hyperlinks. When we click on these words, we get linked to another web page or images or songs or even a movie. That is how they are linked. A web page is written in a computer language is called hypertext markup language, or it is HTML. What it is, in which language it is written? It is written in language called hypertext markup language or HTML. You know very well about HTML. Let's talk about HTML. HTML is considered a universal language to design web pages. What it is? HTML is considered a universal language to design web pages. It is machine independent, which means it can be used on all types of computers and can be read by all browsers. Okay, it means it is a machine independent, which means it can be used on all types of computer and can be read by all browsers. HTML needs no programming. You can see that HTML needs no programming. It is a way of organizing the layout of a web page and defining the hyperlinks so that it can be displayed by a browser. Okay, what it will do? It is a way of organizing the layout of a web page and defining the hyperlinks so that it can be displayed by a browser. HTML codes can be written using any text editor like your Notepad or WordPad. The HTML code can be written by using your any kind of editor like your Notepad or your WordPad. Now let's discuss about the DHTML. DHTML means dynamic HTML. Dynamic HTML refers to animated HTML. Dynamic HTML allows a web page to change after it's loaded into the browser without requiring it to communicate with the web server to be updated. Okay, what it will do? It allows a web page to change after it's loaded into the browser without requiring it to communicate with the web server to be updated. For example, a web page can have a graphic change or a piece of text change color on a mouse click without requiring any communication from the server. A page made with DHTML has dynamic content which allows the user to dynamically change web page content, allows dynamic positioning or the web page elements. Dynamic style which allows the user to change the web page's color, font, size or content. Are you getting? Good. Now let's see about website. As we know that whenever we need something, we are going for Google and we are searching there whatever we need. So let's see what is a website. A website is a collection of web pages related to each other by a certain topic. Okay, what is a website? A website is a collection of web pages related to each other by a certain topic. Okay, a website is created to give information about a particular topic, person, product or organization. What it is? It gives you information about a particular topic, person, product or organization. A home page, in the first page you see when you entered a web page. What you are doing? Whenever you will enter a web page, what you will see? You will see a home page there. Yes or no? The home page is linked to all the other web pages of the website. What it will do? The home page is linked to all the other web pages on the website. The home page is also known as the index page of the website. Okay, the home page is also known as the index page of the website. Now let's see about web portal. A web portal is a specially designed website that brings information together from different websites or web pages in one organized way. What is web portal? It is designed in specific way so that it will brings information together from different websites or web pages in an organized way. Usually, the home page of a web portal has a link to another website. Okay, for example, a shopping web portal like www.amazon.com will have links to many other websites. Are you getting how it is linked with others? It is linked with other websites so that you can get your information from where? From the home page. Okay, good. So for today this much is enough. In the next class, we're going to see about the web hosting, search engine, online and offline, all the things we will going to discuss in our next class. Till then, take care, stay safe. Tata, bye bye.